Alright, welcome back. So I want to believe every one of us has tried to style the button. So let me quickly show you what I styled from my own side. So I first opened the class of form, then inside that class of form we have a label that is we have an element that is a button. Okay, then I said background color should be this, color of the text, which is the main color for the button, should be white, border should be 2 pixels solid, then this color, display should be block, so that it can be the same thing as others here, so it should be block. So display should be block, then font size should be 16 pixel, that's what I used, padding 10 pixel, width I chose 105%, even though our prototype I used 100% for it. So see the difference. You can see that this one is on the same line here, but from this part it is a bit shorter, and it seems it is more obvious here than on this one that I just did now. Oh, I'm coming. Okay, so this is better now. Why this is a little bit different, can you see? So this one is more obvious that the button is shorter than other inputs, why in this case it is more, they are close. So there's something I just noticed now, that we have placeholder in our prototype, the queen, Aleilo, the queen, and all of that, but we don't have it. We don't have it in what we have been coding. So we can easily, so having understood this styling of the button, let's go back to our form.html and add some placeholder. So this is the first one, username. So this username, okay, the placeholder here now, what did I use? It's in the queen also. I think there is the queen. Okay, so let's go to the next one. This one I chose hello placeholder, hello at the queen. So you can use any of your websites, hello at, you can use the address of your website rather, so hello at the queen, or you say de, anyone, hello at the queen. Then we come to password. So for password, the placeholder, we're just going to be using some asterisk. Place it there. Then going to be some asterisk. It can be 6. Then I come here, how many do I write here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you come back here and use the same thing. Okay, just like that, and they're going to be almost the same thing now. Can you see what we have here before, and this is what we have here? So now let's come back to this place and refresh. You see now, so now they're very close. Alright, see you in just a moment. So immediately after this, now we are starting our JavaScript. Okay, have a nice time.